Hi, and welcome to DNA Motoring. Today we have a special product for you. This is our 15-gallon portable fuel caddy. As you can see, it comes with a fuel handle, and what's amazing about this is that it has a locking safety feature to prevent you from accidentally letting fuel out. On top of that, this doubles as a pump, so the more you squeeze it, the more fuel is going to come out. If you're in a situation where you can get your fuel caddy above what you're filling, it can be gravity fed, and you can simply hold it down to allow for a flow of 2 gallons per minute. As you can see with the hose, it comes with a shutoff valve for extra safety features. And we also have a shutoff valve on the caddy itself. Taking a further look at the caddy, we have a holder for your hose. We have our fuel cap that also has a vent screw in it to allow all the fumes to escape. Now let's take a look at the wheels. That's what makes this portable, right? Look how smooth this rolls. This makes it easy to carry around all those 15 gallons of fuel of whatever you need. This thing has multiple uses. Whether you're going off-roading, whether you need extra fuel at a track day, or you're just doing general maintenance around the house and you need fuel for your pressure washer or your lawnmower. This can do it all. And if taken care of well enough, this thing can last you for years to come. So check us out online at dnamotoring.com and get you one today.